dear friends and students, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amin sir. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now, I am going to discuss about beautiful topics. The name of the topics is Internet slang. Nowadays, we are using Internet vastly. But there are some words which can be expressed in a short way, in an abbreviation manner. So, how can you use the slang words in internet? We are going to discuss. Okay? আজকে যে টপিকসটা আলোচনা করছি ইন্টারনেটে কিছু শর্ট টার্ম ব্যবহার করা হয় যেগুলো আমরা আজকালকে প্রতিনিয়ত ব্যবহার করি। ওকে, let us come to the today's discussion. First, lol. LOL, lol. Lol means laughing out loud. Laughing out loud. OMG, oh my god. OMG denotes oh my god. TTYN, talk to you never. Talk to you never. FBO, Facebook official. Facebook official. AFAIK, as far as I know. As far as I know. IMHO, in my humble opinion. In my humble opinion. POV, point of view. Point of view. MMB, message me back. Okay, so I hope this slang internet will be very helpful to you, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my English Funda Kolkata, and don't forget to click bell icon. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, see you again on the next video.